Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be talking about what is data science and what do data scientists do. So for the past couple of weeks, I've been getting a lot of messages on my LinkedIn. People keep asking me, what is data science? How can I be a data scientist? And what do data scientists actually do? So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what data science is, what data scientists do, and how you can actually be a successful data scientist. So if this is the first time you're seeing my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I constantly share videos on data science, financial analysis, and data analytics. I'm also very active on LinkedIn. You can always follow me on LinkedIn. I constantly share materials on machine learning, data science, financial analysis, accounting, and data analysis. Now the big question is, what is data science? A lot of people have been talking about data science. I know you must have heard it from your friend, your colleague talking about data science. Now the big question is, what is data science? Data science is a very broad field, and is a field that actually involves a lot of mathematics, a lot of analysis. It involves a lot of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, what is data science? Data science is the study of data. Now, when you're talking about data science is a field that deals mainly with data. So data science is the study of data, extraction of data, cleaning of data, handling of data to actually understand companies' problem and also to provide solution to their problems using data. Now, when you're talking about data science, you need to understand that data science is a very broad field. It involves a lot of mathematics. I've had a lot of my followers on LinkedIn and YouTube asking me, I'm not good at mathematics, so how can I be a good data scientist? Now, I'm here to tell you that even if you're not very perfect in mathematics, you can also be a good data scientist. As long as you're ready to actually put in the work, learn a couple of basic mathematics, you can actually work perfectly well as a data scientist. So now, you need to understand that a data scientist is actually different from a data analyst. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the major difference between a data scientist and a data analyst. Why a data scientist can actually do the work of a data analyst, a data analyst cannot do the work of a data scientist. So basically, what do data scientists do? Data scientists, they work with large number of data. They try to extract this data from the company's API or from websites. They can actually perform web scraping, taking information or data from websites, and they actually clean this data using programming languages like Python, SQL. They look out for outliers, they look out for missing values, and make sure that these companies' data are error-free. And after cleaning those data, they use this data to actually draw insights. They actually use this data to help the company make strategic and managerial decisions. So data scientists also are good machine learning engineers. Either they can be concentrated on supervised or unsupervised machine learning or reinforcement machine learning. Those are the three aspects of machine learning we have. So data scientists are machine learning engineers. They build models and they deploy these models into working environment, maybe through Streamlit or Azure, where these models can actually get tested and ensure that that predictive accuracy is actually very, very good in the working environment. So basically, this is what data science and data scientists is all about. Please, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave your comments in the video. I'm also very active on LinkedIn. You can always follow me on LinkedIn. You can always send me a message on LinkedIn. I'm always available to reply to your questions and make sure that I make your data science or data analysis journey as free and stress-free and productive as it may be. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. In my next video, we'll be talking about who is a data scientist and who is a data analyst, and what are the major difference between a data analyst and a data scientist. And we'll be looking at what do data analysts do and what do data scientists do that is actually different from what a data analyst do. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.